like and smash that subscribe button.
We are at the Vicksburg National Cemetery, where the war on states' rights was fought. And you know the funny thing? Civil War was 100 or so years ago, but we still fighting over states' rights. It ain't never been settled. It ain't never been settled. There's the Union Army up there, and the Confederate Army over yonder. This is overlooking the battlefield. That's some of the cannons that was used. And there we are, playing visitor. Artillery. Always the big part of war.
Call. I said, do it.
I'm getting not close to Gary.
No, don't. We're doing it.
Did you see?
We finna to watch a movie.
We ain't making.
Let me show.
We're not making room for Aon. We're doing it.
As Grant faced a crisis. President Lincoln had placed him in charge of taking a town on the Mississippi River called Vicksburg. For months, Grant had repeatedly tried and failed. Now, his military career was in jeopardy. So it was the fate of the war, some believed. Desperate, Grant would devise a strategy so daring, so original, that even his favorite general, William Tecumseh Sherman, doubted its success.
His strategy was to cross the Mississippi River below Vicksburg and attack the Confederate fortress from the south or east. This would put his army deep in enemy territory without assistance from reinforcements. After driving off Confederates at Richmond and James and Dunbar's plantations, Grant's army pushed south. On the night of April 16th, Union gunboats of the Mississippi Squadron, commanded by Rear Admiral David Hickson Porter, rounded DeSoto Point opposite Vicksburg
There's the doctor in
and
business.
screamed past the Confederate shore batteries.
There's the general's office.
Though the boats
Look at
were
that
punishing fire,
cannonball in
only
that
one
tree.
vessel was lost. A feat deemed impossible had been achieved, and the fleet, now below Vicksburg, moved toward its rendezvous with Grant's army.
They're gonna pop out right here. When we go under here, that bridge is gonna pop out on them. There it is. Here comes a semi up on them.
I'm glad I made this journey with you.
If you like my Papa's channel, Road Maps and Chaos, make sure to like and smash that subscribe button.
We pray we'll see you in the rapture.